Welcome to CDG Inspection, a global leader in testing services, ensuring safety, quality, and compliance across industries. We specialize in testing full-size cribs for residential use, adhering to the stringent ASTM F1169 to 2019 standard. Ensuring crib safety is critical for protecting infants and meeting legal requirements. Our comprehensive testing evaluates crib structure, durability, and safety to meet ASTM F1169 to 2019 compliance. We simulate real-world conditions to assess durability, ensuring cribs stand the test of time. Our experts also test for harmful substances, ensuring the materials used are completely safe for your little ones. Stability testing guarantees that the crib won't tip or collapse, no matter the situation. Our testing gives consumers the peace of mind they deserve when choosing products for their children. Meeting compliance isn't just about safety, it's about upholding trust and reliability in your brand. With a global presence, we serve manufacturers, distributors, and retailers worldwide. Our team of professionals ensures that every test meets the highest industry standards. We tailor testing solutions to meet your specific needs and product requirements. Choose CDG Inspection for our state-of-the-art facilities, expert team, and dedication to excellence. Partner with us today to ensure your cribs meet the highest safety standards. Visit www.cdginspection.com to make an inquiry. CDG Inspection, ensuring safety, reliability, and compliance for a better tomorrow.